Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can promote the Max Bounty product and how you can earn extra income from Max Bounty. So for you guys that are new for the Max Bounty, um, first of all what you're gonna do is just going to sign up. I put the link in the description below so you guys can uh, click the link and just go and sign up. And once you sign up you will get a, a phone interview from your manager from Max Bounty. As you guys can see, I have a manager here. My manager is Don Johnson. So one of you, the manager from Max Bounty, going to contact you through your phone. And once the phone interview is just very simple, they ask what kind of product would you like to promote and what sort of traffic you guys use. Usually these two type of question they asking, and it's very short interview and that's it. And they active your account. And once they active your account, you're going to Max Bounty and logging in and just start looking for the product. So whatever I like to promote, for example, I want to promote this leads I don't know what is this, but it's $2.50 per leads. Once the people just come in and sign up for this, they gonna um, pay me $2.50 for each lead that they sign up. As you guys can see, this is approved, and I can promote this product, and I can. There's so many other similar product that this same niche. You guys can choose one of them too if you like to. And that's it. Just you guys can go and just um, get the click ID traffic source from Google Bing that or whatever, and guys can uh, get your link from here. For example, if you want to promote the banner ads, the banner ads is already um, made from the website that he wants to promote. You just need to get the tracking code and post in your website or other platform that you can generate income. So that's very simple, guys, and there's so many products that you can choose. I just choose randomly the very cheap product, but you guys can just go through in it. You guys can see your product like $37 per leads. Have product $50 per leads. It's a nutrition slip. You can just click on it and look at the product. As you guys can see, it's $50 per lead, and it's allowed only in United States because this uh, uh, website is from United States, and guys can go and promote this. This product is $50 per leads, and it's very simple. And so that's very that's the things that you can promote, and take it simple. Just try to sign up first, and then you will go for it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching for this video. If you guys choosing for Max Bounty, I put the link in the description below. You guys can go and sign up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to promote so many affiliate program and traffic source that guys can generate income. Thank you so much guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.